12-year-old Anton knows loss and disaster only too well. While Aceh was most hard hit by the tsunami, it was a Richter 8.7 earthquake in March 2004 which decimated Anton's home of Nias, an island nearly 150 kilometers off the coast of Aceh. The tremors were so powerful they killed 900 and destroyed thousands of buildings, including Anton's home and his school.
Dindingnya udah retak, habis itu mejanya banyak yang patah karena gempa kena beton.
Across Nias Island, the damage was horrendous. Anton felt lucky to escape with his life.
Dia rajin sekolah, itu menurut perintah orang tuanya. Jadi itulah anak yang baik nasir.
But out of disaster, promise of a brighter future, as well-directed aid is working to revive and improve the island. Construction is beginning to jumpstart the economy, and plans are afoot to entice tourists to the island's beaches. The real inspiration, though, comes from ordinary heroes like Anton, who's been spending time offering cheer to village children and elders. Such resilience in the face of disaster has made him somewhat of a little hero in his community. Anton, a courageous survivor bringing hope to Nias and the rest of the world. From the people of Aceh-Nias, terima kasih, thank you for your generous support.